In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Charles Schwab stock. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each choice means, and how to place a clear, confident sell order, whether you're on the website or the Schwab mobile app. First, log into your Schwab account on schwab.com or open the Schwab app and sign in. Make sure you're on the official site or app and that your connection is secure. If you use two-factor authentication, have that ready so you can move through the process smoothly. Next, head to the trading area. On the website, click Trade and choose All-in-One Trade Ticket. If you're already looking at your positions, watch list, research, or summary pages, you can also use SnapTicket for a quicker trade entry. Both routes take you to the same outcome, the place where you'll enter and submit your sell order. Now select the correct account and the stock you want to sell. If you have multiple accounts, such as an individual brokerage or an IRA, pick the right one from the drop-down so the trade goes to the intended place. Type the ticker symbol or start typing the company name and select the exact match. Take a second to confirm you've got the correct symbol before moving on. Choose Sell as the action and enter how many shares you'd like to sell. You can sell your entire position or just part of it. If you prefer, you can sell specific lots, which lets you choose shares from particular purchase dates or prices. That can be helpful for tax planning, but when in doubt, check your cost basis details or consult a tax professional. Select your order type. A market order aims to execute quickly at the best available price, which is simple but can vary slightly in fast markets. A limit order only sells at or above the exact price you set, giving you price control but no guarantee of execution. A stop or stop limit order triggers a sale if the stock hits a chosen level, useful for risk management. Other specialized types exist, but these are the most common. Set the time in force. Day means the order is valid for the current trading day and will expire if it doesn't fill. Good till canceled keeps the order open until it's filled, or you cancel it, subject to Schwab's GTC time limits. Finally, review everything carefully: account, symbol, share quantity, order type, price, and time in force. Click Review Order, confirm that the details look right, and then place order. Schwab will display a confirmation and an order number. Keep that for your records. That's it. Your sell order is in.